What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
So guys, the hair I'll be using today is from IC Hair. It's a 22-inch 6x4 closure. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut. Name is glueless. See the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. The hair is so soft, guys. I'll keep getting hair from this IC Hair website. So it comes with an elastic band at the top of the hair for it to make it glueless, and don't have no pin in it, like the 3 pin that be on the side and in the back. It don't have it. So I'm going to say it will work. Come with some bonnet, bag, face mask, latches. See the latches? I only have one on right now. Guys, my lock is still standing. If you don't know how to do this lock, I'll put a link in the description box for you to watch the video. So I'm going to use wax stick to like lay my edges down. Don't ask me why you don't have makeup on your forehead. I decided to put makeup on my forehead no more because the makeup is messing up my edges. I got this makeup hack from some other girl on TikTok, but I don't know her name. Let's get into this hair. I just put the hair on my head. It's giving skin already. I don't do nothing with the hair yet. I don't have anything to say about this hair. Okay? I told you it was glueless wig. You think I was joking? So I decided to put Got to Be spray because I'm trying to rock the hair for one day, you know. I tried to style the hair, but I was not feeling the style. I think the kinky skirt is already styled to me. It's okay like that. So I just decided to flat iron it for it to be more skirt than me doing any other style. It's giving silk press. See how that hair look? Skirt. It's not kinky skirt no more. It's skirt hair, guys. I'm getting good at skirting hair, okay? Don't play with me. I really love this hair. The hair, oh my god. I think I need to get one more hair.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So guys, this how the hair came out. It's a easy install. It's very quick and easy. It took me 10 minutes to put this hair on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos like this. And see you in the next video. Peace out.